So my topic is, if you were to be India's Prime Minister for a day, what would you do and why? So first of all, as we all know that India, with all its problems, has got certain basic things which are the cause of it. And one of the biggest things I feel is that the way that the politicians are bootlicked by the IPS and IAS officers, that is one of the biggest things. What I would like to do is give full freedom to all the IPS and IAS officers for a day, because the kind of grilling that they have been through for the entire process, it ensures that they have a certain character, they have a certain dynamic to their personality, and they can achieve, they can deliver what they were meant to deliver since the start. But it is just because of the system that they are hand tied into it. So what I feel will the best way is to give a free hand to the IAS and IPS officers to take the measures that they always wanted to, but they couldn't because of the politicians. And that is all. Thank you. My topic is Holy Cow. So as we all know, Holy Cow is perceived to be a certain religious connotation that it is meant to mean something. But if you take a look back, if you just step back and think about it, what does it signify? It's all about saying, believing in a certain thing, and probably we have misinterpreted it to an extent. So if from my perspective, Holy Cow is not about saying that the cow is holy and it is with Hinduism or something. It is more about saying the world coming together, come one world. That is my understanding of the whole cow term, come one world, as in the entire world has to come together, in the sense that instead of having these religious divisions on these grounds and calling out our faith for everything, we have got to come together as one world, irrespective of where we are from, how we are.